In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an item in Odoo. This is a simple process, but it's important to do it carefully, especially if you're removing a product that is no longer needed in your system. Deleting an item permanently removes it, so before you confirm anything, make sure you've selected the correct product. To begin, log into your Odoo dashboard. From here, you can access the area where your products are managed. Depending on your setup, you can click either the Inventory app or the Sales app. In this example, selecting one of these takes us to the Sales page where we can continue managing product records. Once you're on the Sales page, look for the Products tab. Click on it to open the full list of products available in your Odoo database. After that, give the page a moment to load so you can clearly see all the items listed. Now, browse through the product list and select the specific product you want to delete. It's a good idea to pause here and double check the product name before moving on, just to avoid removing the wrong item by mistake. With the product open, look for the gear icon. This icon gives you access to additional actions for that product. Click the gear icon to open the menu, then choose Delete from the available options. As soon as you do that, Odoo will display a confirmation pop-up. This is your final chance to review the action. Take a moment to make sure this is definitely the item you want to remove, because once it's deleted, it may not be easy to recover depending on your system settings and permissions. If you're sure, go ahead and click Delete in the confirmation window. Odoo will then process the request and remove the product from your records. After that, you'll be returned to the product list, and the item will no longer appear there, confirming that it has been successfully deleted. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to delete an item in Odoo by opening the product list, selecting the correct product, using the gear menu, and confirming the deletion. Just remember to be cautious whenever you remove records, especially in a live system, so your inventory and sales data stay accurate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.